how to add overlay of the video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add overlay video in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open the YT Create application. Now let's open one of the project. Now you can see if I wanted to add the overlay video, I can have the overlay option at the very front. Now you can see I have select one of the video or one of the photo from there. Let me select this photo. Now tap on the import. Now you can see this photo is imported to my old video. So this is how you can easily add overlay in your video in YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.